Hello everyone. Next we are going to take hair from one side. We are going to start making a braid by dividing hair into two parts, then start taking hair from that side one by one till this braid is completed. After that we are going to take the rest of the hair along with it and start making a braid again by taking hair from one side similarly, and when it is ready we are going to secure it with the rubber band by folding the braid into half. Next we are going to make two ponytails, and then we are going to use this tool for folding one side of hair into this. Just like showed in the video, we are going to pass it out half only and then making a cute bow along with it. After it is ready, you can do similarly with the other side also, and then we're gonna make a braid in between and folding it out again from the hair, and then we are going to take the remaining hair and then making two more braids and leaving them as it is. Next we are going to take a high ponytail, and then to enhance its beauty we are going to apply some extensions. Next we are going to take some hair from the front and then start making a braid by dividing them first into two parts and then taking the third layer from one side one by one till this braid is completed. After that we are going to take the ponytail at the back. We're gonna start taking hair from it one by one again and joining it along with the braid, as you can clearly see in the video. After it is done, we are going to fold this braid along with the ponytail so that it could look like this, and then you can see we are going to take the rest of the part and folding it accordingly. And now you can apply more accessories to it if you want.